Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the moderation effect, the whole process, how we add the moderation effect, and what are the analysis that we make with the moderation effect. Now, I have this model ready with me, and I'm going to just have a look at uh, what I need to add here. Now, if you look at my model over here, I have two independent variables. I have one mediator and I have one final dependent variable. Now, I need to add a moderating variable and it is over here. So I'm going to bring out that moderating variable. This is a variable now. Here, I'll rename it. This is the name of the variable, PAIR. Now, I'll connect it with the dependent variable. Now, the moderating effect that I want to add here will be on the path between PAIN and PINT. So I will connect my PAIR with PINT. Then I'll right click on PINT and I'll click on add moderating effect. Click. I'll select the moderator, that is PAIR. Then I'll select the independent variable, and that is PAIN. And rest of it, I'll leave it as it is and I'll click OK. Now, this is the green construct that has been added to my model now. It is a moderating effect that has been added. Now, if you hover your cursor over it, it would show you the details. The dependent variable over here is PINT, the moderator is PAIR, and the independent variable is PAIN. I'll rename it so that it kind of gives me a better idea about the variable. It is PAIN, steric, the interaction effect, PAIR. Okay, so it is named as what it is. All right. Now I'll run my bootstrapping and I'll see if it is significant or not. Ideally, we should have 5,000 subsamples, but just to make the process quicker, I have chosen 500 subsamples. All right. So here we are, right after the bootstrapping. This is the result that we have gotten here. I'll click on copy the results on the Excel format. I'll take it to a new Excel sheet, paste. Now, if you look at it, these are the results that we need to look at if you are analyzing the moderation effect. What does this tell us? This tells us about the significance of the interaction term, its effect on the dependent variable. Now the coefficient is minus 118. It means that it would it would reduce the intrusiveness. The PAINT in my model is perceived intrusiveness. PAIN is perceived add entertain information. PAIR is perceived add irritation. So the point here is that if it would reduce, this interaction term would actually reduce the intrusiveness. All right. So here we are. If you look at the p-value, the p-value is less than 0.05. So it means this hypothesis is being supported. The t-statistics is also greater than 1.64. Again, the t-statistics also shows that it is supported. Now, another element that you might be interested in if you have this moderating effect is the specific indirect effect. If you remember in my model, if you look at this model again, this moderating effect is on a path that is going to the mediator, and from mediator we have a path going to the final dependent variable. So in a way, this moderator is applied on an indirect path. So we might also be interested in looking at, is it moderating the specific indirect effect or not? So let's look into that. Here we are. This is the specific indirect effect. I've clicked on it, and these are the specific indirect effects that we have. Now, that's great. Our specific indirect effect is also being moderated. If you look at it, pain into PAIR, it is significant over here. So we can say that, you know, the mediated path is also moderated. So we have a moderated mediation over here. We will copy paste the results and we will write the interpretation accordingly. So that's all in this video. Um, See you in the next video. Bye.